Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6 Pro, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required. And simply for checking, you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, that's okay. However, if you'll decide to download the update, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi. It is because that the update packages are quite large. I mean, the files are quite large, and downloading them over using mobile data might cause some additional charges. And obviously we want to avoid that, so be aware about that. So we've got the internet connection, and now we can open the settings. Here, let's scroll all the way down to find System and Update. So just tap on this section with gear icon, and then tap on Software Update. And now we have to simply wait, because our device is checking for the updates. And basically we can meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one, where your software is up to date and there is absolutely nothing to download, which is great, of course. And the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.